guys, it's me, Cleo the Golden Retriever, and this is going to be my last video in the snow for today. I'm going to save it for tomorrow, because I'm going to have a snow day tomorrow. But she's going to try to sled. I'm going to put her on this paper plate and go down there. I really wanted to try this, even though I know it's going to fail. Okay. Oh, let's try that again. Oof. I've been out in the snow enough today. Okay. They're gonna need a bath too, because they're all frost. Whee! Darn it. Okay, well, I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this. Here, we'll do this. Whee! Darn it, now I have to go get them. Oh! And I forgot my gloves, because I thought this was gonna be nice and easy, but I guess not. Okay. Well, sorry, my videos are going to be better tomorrow because I won't be so cold and stuff. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.